Hello everybody, it's Kris Gethin with my beautiful Sunshine, and we're in the Kaged kitchen, all right? We are going to be putting together for you a healthy, high protein chocolate and banana pancake. Wow. So this is perfect for those of you that suffer from intense cravings and you want something nutritious and healthy to put into your system. Obviously the chocolate, which is naturally flavored, subdues those chocolate cravings, and putting a banana in there obviously makes it taste good, but it's got plenty of potassium in there as well, which is going to help your performance in the gym as well as your recovery. So first of all, you're going to need the ingredients that I'm about to list and a blender here. To begin with, we're just going to put a small splash of almond milk in the blender, because you're going to have the egg whites, which is going to act as your liquid for the oats and the protein powder to get mixed in. And it's always good to start off with a little bit less, because you can always add a little bit more. So we may even have to add some more. Then we're going to put a scoop of the isolate in. Would you like to help me here? Because poor little me is injured at the moment. So I'm going to be relying on Sybil quite a lot.
Right, 1 scoop.
That's it, the chocolate micro pure isolate that we're using here. So that's going to be easy to digest. And then we're going to put in 4 egg whites and 1 whole egg in yonder, like that. And then we've got, how much oats there?
It's 1/4 cup.
1/4 of a cup. Do you want to put that in?
I'll do it. Woo.
And then we have a whole banana.
Right, medium sized. Don't go for the large ones.
Okay. So that's going to give you your carbohydrates and your potassium, and we've got the complex carbohydrates coming from the oats with some fiber in it as well, and obviously your protein as well as your egg whites coming from the protein powder and the egg whites and the egg yolk. So you've got some healthy fats in there from the yolk too. All right, and let's blend this bad boy up. Turn it up.
Yeah, so you want to blend that for just 20 to 30 seconds until it's got a nice creamy consistency.
All right, so now if you come over here, we're going to put this in the frying pan. Okay, so I'm going to heat this frying pan up, but before I do, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil spray here. So I don't want too much oil in there, so I'm just going to have a little spray so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to heat this bad boy up. Probably put it on like a medium heat. And what you want to do, if you've got a lid, great, put it on. If not, just put it on a medium heat and just wait for it to pretty much cook through. It can be a little bit soft on the top, and then you'll flip it over if need be. So let's pour that in. Lovely. And we'll just let that bad boy cook, and we'll check it in about 5 minutes time. All right, here we go. Straight from the frying pan, nice and hot. Let me get the sauce over here so we can spread that on. I'm gonna go for the chocolate sauce today. Got a calorie-free here. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit over here, and then I'm gonna spread it with this knife. Man, that smells good.
Ooh, that does smell delicious.
So you got obviously the banana in here mixed with the chocolate whey protein isolate, and then just a little bit of chocolate sauce on top will just give it a bit of oomph and a little bit of moisture as well, because it can get a little bit dry, especially if you use a lot of oats, but we don't have that much oats in here, so it should be good. Okay. You don't want to spread it around? Oh, yeah.
I was just trying to be like a food blogger.
You guys are food bloggers. I mean, look at this thing.
The thing is, you just need it like that. You want to spread it.
All right, do you want to help me?
There you go.
Which is it?
I think it's that. You have to. You can't just do a line. It's not a Cobb salad. You have to have some symmetry.
I go over the line, but it's fine.
Yeah, but see, when I take a bite, I like to have a little bit of everything in it. So this way I'm gonna have a little bit of banana.
Ready?
Yeah.
Banana. Yeah? What do you think?
That's really good. It's not dry at all. I thought it'd be quite dry. It's not. It's really moist.
Delicious.
I do like that. And like that is so healthy. All you've got is egg whites, egg yolk, oats, almond milk, protein isolate. Anything else?
Banana.
Just a banana. That is it. That is all so healthy. But that is a craving killer right there. Help me, girl.
Right.
Feed me. Right, we're gonna have to shut this off because I'm gonna eat the lot. But hope you like this video. What are you laughing at? So, this is a great craving killer. However, it is gonna keep you on your nutritional track. Whether you're putting on muscle, whether you're trying to burn fat, this is the perfect meal replacement for you. If you do like this video, what are you gonna do?
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
There it is.